Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Văn Khang and today I will introduce about the Lunit INSIGHT CXR Triage, an AI-powered chest X-ray diagnostic the medical device. Next begin to the outline. Here is the outline of my presentation today. First, I will start with an introduction about the role of AI in medical imaging. Then, I will give a system overview of the Lunit INSIGHT CXR Triage. After that, we go into the how it works, followed by the clinical application and conclusion. So, let's go to the introduction. This slide gives a brief overview of AI application in medical imaging. In short, AI supports every stage from the scheduling and scanning to diagnosis and monitoring and recommendation, failure prediction. So in here, AI is help optimize image schedule, reduce waiting time, and improve image quality. AI also detect abnormalities, check disease progression, and even predict possible complications before they happen. Overall, AI make medical image faster, safer, and more efficient. Lunit INSIGHT CXR belong to the recommendation and diagnostic support stage of the medical image workflow. As an example of how AI apply in medical image, I would like to introduce Lunit INSIGHT CXR Triage device. Before we explore what Lunit INSIGHT CXR is, we first need to understand why this technology is necessary in clinical practice. So we begin with the question, why Lunit INSIGHT CXR is needed? The reason is very clear. Lunit INSIGHT CXR should be used because it helps clinicians quickly and accurately detect abnormalities on chest X-ray, reducing diagnostic workload and supporting early diagnosis of the lung disease. This need reflects the growing channel of high imaging volume, time pressure, and the risk of the missed finding in busy hospital. Come to the introduction the Lunit INSIGHT CXR Triage with background information. This is the AI-powered software developed by the Lunit company in South Korea. The software belongs to the categories of the software as a medical device, which means it is a stand-alone AI tool approved for the clinical use. The product has gone through continued improvement from its early version in 2017 up to the latest release in 2025, reflecting strong development and refinement over the year. Its main purpose is to assist clinicians by the automatically detecting and triaging chest abnormalities. Some of the key findings it can identify include pneumothorax, pleural effusion, and lung nullness. So in the purpose, we have the two important points. The first, introduce a real-world example of the AI-based medical software used for the chest X-ray diagnosis. The second, demonstrates how this technology supports the radiologists in detecting and pre-routing clinical findings. In addition, the device also received a medical certificate. It has received the FDA 510(k) clearance Class 2 and CE certificate, ensuring its safety and clinical reliability. By integrating for the hospital system, it helps radiologists prioritize urgent cases, improving diagnostic efficiency and patient care. This slide shows the diagnostic performance of the Lunit CXR. The current version of the Lunit INSIGHT CXR 4 demonstrates strong diagnostic accuracy, observing an area under the curve of the 97 to 99% across 11 radiological findings. On the right side here, you can see an example of how the AI highlights subprecise recon using a heat map, helping radiologists quickly focus on clinical areas from diagnostics. The software assists clinicians in detecting common chest abnormalities such as the lung nodule, pneumothorax, alternates, cardiomegaly, calcification, and consolidification, ferroeffusion, and pneumothorium, mediastinal grinding, and fibrosis, and support tuberculosis screening, and the last version, Lunit CXR in 2025, introduction acute bone fracture detecting and newly suppressed abnormalities. After understanding the general concept of the AI in medical imaging and the introduction of the Lunit INSIGHT CXR Triage system, this slide demonstrates its clinical performance and diagnostic capability. Now that we have seen what kind of the DC Lunit INSIGHT CXR can detect, let's move on to the how it works. In the system overview, we have the one question: how does the Lunit INSIGHT CXR work in the radiology diagnostic process? The first pattern is mean. When a pattern arrives and the chest X-ray image is taken, it is automatically analyzed by the Lunit AI software. The system then assigns a priority level based on the detected abnormalities. If the AI identifies critical findings, such as pneumothorax, ferroeffusion, the case is labeled as the high priority, meaning the radiologist will review it immediately. On the other hand, normal or next unrelated cases are categorized as the low priority and can be reviewed later. This system meets the important requirements in the medical industry, such as the faster timely treatment and enhanced efficiency in emergency department. Next, in this pipeline here, the delta process of the AI system. Chest X-ray images are requested from the X-ray device. Example, the Samsung X-ray device. The images are automatically sent to the Lunit AI server, where the deep learning model analyzes them for the abnormalities such as the pneumothorax, ferroeffusion, or lung nodule. Output and here, the system generates a heat map and an abnormality score, then classify cases into the high priority or no priority for the review. Radiologist the review. AI highlight recon, enabling faster diagnosis of the critical case and more efficient pattern care. Next, show the Lunit system how it works. We can go to next slide. In this slide, we can summarize how the AI model inside Lunit CXR works. From image input to abnormality detection, we can see the general structure of the convolutional neural network. Lunit CXR AI system has based on the CNN model structure to develop, where the model learns image pattern through convolution and pooling layer, and finally classify them using full collect layer. So, what does this system develop in this CNN model? In Lunit CXR, the backbone used for the feature detection is RadNet 34, shown on the right here. Compared to Blend 34 layer, RadNet introduced digital connection, the curve arrow here, which allow deeper learning while maintaining training stability. This architecture enables high accuracy and robust feature detection even in complex chest X-ray images. The forward chart here is just after going through the feature detection process and then using a full collect layer to classify the system. A heat map is added to highlight the chest abnormality. The result heat map highlights specific regions, for example, pneumoperium consolidation, which are among the 11 abnormal findings detected by Lunit AI model, achieving AUC between the 97 and 99%. To verify the performance accuracy of the model, we next move to the clinical application session. Especially for the units which have more than 10 multinational partners as in the clinical application of the Lunit INSIGHT CXR during early COVID-19, the system was tested on more than 4,300 X-ray cases from Korea and Europe, achieving an AUC between 95% and 97%, according 11 abnormalities. The two clinical validation tests for the detection of the major chest abnormalities and detection of the pneumothorax achieved a reliability up to the 98% for chest abnormalities and the 95% for the detection of the pneumothorax. Next, we come to the actual clinical verification in image. Here are the four reference cases comparing diagnostics with and without the AI assistant. In the example, Lunit INSIGHT CXR helps radiologists correctly identify conditions such as lung cancer, pneumonia, tuberculosis, pneumothorax, many of were missed initially. For the instance, in case 2, none of the 10 radiologists detect pneumonia with AI, but with the Lunit, 5 were able to correctly locate the lesion. So, we can conclude this clearly demonstrates how AI can enhance diagnostic accuracy. To summarize, Lunit INSIGHT CXR shows several advantages: high diagnostic accuracy, faster chiller, and seamless plug integration, making it suitable for clinical deployment. However, there remain some limitations, such as the dependency on image quality, limited interpretability, and the need for further validation in rare disease cases. Their insight will guide the next step in system improvement and future research. In conclusion, Lunit INSIGHT CXR has demonstrated strong clinical performance and global scalability, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. It has proven capable of enhancing radiology accuracy and speeding up emergency care. Moving forward, improving model interpretability and expanding to multimodal. A last slide will be key step towards more transparent and trustworthy AI in medical imaging. This is an introduction to the Lunit INSIGHT CXR Triage medical device. Thank you for listening.